Okay. Hi, this is my first recording on my new camera. HD quality. Full HD. I'll show you around my house. This is my room. Fan. Everything. TV. This. Also cute TV. My bed. My ship. Thingy. This is my room. Mummy's room. Bed. Whatever. That door handle. Hot. Toilet. I think my gel. Us. Try my hair. There's a light. Okay. Living room. Clothes. Pics. Rob and Uncle George. Arif and Uncle George getting married. My mum, my uncle, my auntie, my stepdad. My granddad, me. My stepdad with a rose. Me. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, that's me. Rob. Uncle. 2 cousins. My mum. And my grandma. Rob, me, my mum, my hat, his glasses. We're going to the water park. Prince! Oh, sorry. Grandma, my auntie. Doggy! Let's zoom out. That's in. Who are you looking at like that? I unpacked everything outside. Got rubbish. Aha. New kettle. New thingy, whatever it's called. In fact, I'm gonna cook this. So I'm hungry. We open the microwave. We shall open this. Wait 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to open this. Okay. Now I'm going to open this. And put it in a microwave. For 4 minutes. Oh, 5 I just put it. Let me show you to my balcony while that's cooking. Upside down. Sorry, I hate that one. My mum's thinking, oh, spare room. I've got to show you my spare ribs. I'll show you the garbage, then I won't show spare room. Okay, it's really hot. It's my landlord's swimming pool. This is his house. Play. That's where she's going to be working. Balcony. Terrapin. There he is. Don't swim away. Olive tree. Baby olive tree. Something tree. Christmas tree. You again. You again. Where are you going? Come. Sugar. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Tell me where do you want to go? You where you taking me? You're taking me somewhere. Where are you taking? Yeah. What's in the cupboard? What is it? Your lead. Good boy. Sit down. Give me a paw. Good boy. Other paw. Give me this paw. No. Other paw. This paw. Good boy. Alright, now stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Don't then. Oh, Jing Chow Mein. Anyway, I'll be filming for you when I sleep, when I wake up. I'll be filming everything I do. Everything's ready. Alright, now I'm going to get a tablecloth. Now, I know you can't see me, I'm just going to put it in a bowl. I've got the bowl in my hands. I've got the sweet and sour chicken eating thing in my hands as well. I'm pouring it in a pot. I'm pouring it. Alright, now I'm going to put the pot in the thingy. I'm going to get the other thingy and put it in the other thingy. And now I'm going to take you into my living room. There it is. There it is. Oh, what's that? There it is. Look, there it is. There it is. Rob's here. Maybe not. I'm gonna have some Sprite. Do you like that? Oops, I almost made it full. Now I'm just gonna eat and finish.